So guys, for the first step, you're going to get into this screen. Now to get here, you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you're going to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you're going to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You're going to click on Advanced Options. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Uninstall Updates. If you do not see Uninstall Updates in this list, then you're going to click on See More Recovery Options. Then it should appear right here. So you're going to click on Uninstall Updates, and now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you're going to be having 2 updates right here, Quality and Feature. You're most likely having a problem with a quality update, so you're going to be going with that one first. You're going to click on Uninstall Quality Update, and then click on Uninstall Quality Update again. Wait for this to load. And then once you've uninstalled the latest quality update, we're now going to go back, and then go back again, and then go back again, and then click on Continue. We're now going to go back to Windows, and this should now fix your problem. If that did not work, then you're going to uninstall the latest feature update. Once you uninstall the feature update, you're going to go back again, continue to Windows, and then this should now fix your problem.